All right, guys, this is your lesson for Thursday, April 23rd, and we're still working on measurement. Today, we're going to do a little bit on word problems that involve measurement. Okay, you're not actually going to be measuring anything today, but you're going to be working on word problems. And then, so you're just going to watch this lesson today and kind of work through these problems with me. Your parents, again, it's going to be on Seesaw, so if they want to print it out, they can. And then you're just going to actually do your weekly grade, which is going to be a Kahoot for this week, and I'm going to explain to you how that's going to work in just a minute. Okay, after we do this. So it's called measurement word problems. And I'm going to go in here. All right, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, so it says a snake was 45 inches long. Now it is 57 inches long. How much did the snake grow? So we know that it was 45 inches and now it's 57. And we want to know how much it grew. So think about it for a second. How could we solve this problem? So what we need to do is we need to actually take 57. And let me see here. Oh, is it already a small little goat? Maybe if I use the pencil. So 57 minus 45. So this is a double-digit subtraction problem, but we know how to do these. 7 minus 5, can we take, there's more on top, right? So no need to stop. The digit up here is bigger than the 5. 7 is greater than 5, so 7 minus 5 is 2. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So that means 12. He grew 12, but 12 what? Can't just write 12. 12 feet, 12 inches. So I'm going to put I-N for inches. Okay? All right. Number 2. A baby giraffe was 61 inches tall. Another young giraffe was 95 inches tall. How much shorter was the baby giraffe? Okay, so again, we need to figure out how much shorter. So we know one was 95 and one was 61. So we need to subtract here. So I would take 95 minus 61. And there'd be a nice 2, guys, because we're not going to have to borrow on this one either. So what's 5 minus 1? 4. 9 minus 6? 3. So that would be 34 inches. Okay? All right. A carrot was 8 centimeters long. It grew 6 more centimeters. How long is the carrot now? So they're switching it up on us this time. Now we have to do 8 plus 6. And we know that 8 plus 6 equals 14. So this would be 14 centimeters. I'm going to put cm for that. So it is 14 centimeters long. All right. Number 4, I have 3 pencils. The pencils are 16 centimeters, 11 centimeters, and 8 centimeters long. What is the total length of all of my pencils? So the total, when it's asking us the total length of all, I need to add. So I have 16, 11, and 8. So I'm going to do 16 plus 11 first. I'm going to hide those tools. So 16 plus 11. So 6 plus 1 is 7. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So now I have 27, but I have another problem to do. So now I need to do 27 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15, but I can't write 15 here. Remember, I can write my 5, but I have to carry that 1 up here. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. So it's 35. 35 what, though? centimeters. Okay. Okay. Let's go up here to 5. It says a tree was 5 meters tall. It grew 7 more meters. How many meters tall is the tree now? So I'm going to switch up my tools here, and I'm going to try to do this in a text box because this one isn't too hard. So I'm going to do 5 plus 7 equals, and we know that equals 12. So that would be my problem. So let's make that smaller though. So now I'm going to do another text box, and I'm going to write 12 meters in this text box. Because you guys know you can do it different ways, and it's a lot easier to type than it is to write it all out. Okay? 12 meters. I'm going to do one more with you guys, and then I think it would be a good idea for you guys to do the last 2 on your own. If you don't want to do the other 6, if you just want to watch me do that, that's fine. But when you do the last 2, please submit them on Seesaw for me. Okay? I'll link this activity in there. All right, so it says a ribbon was 48 yards long. After I cut some, 32 yards were left. How many yards did I cut off? So I'm going to do my text box here, and I need to do 48, and I'm going to hit enter and do minus 32. So 8 minus 2 is 6. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So that equals 16. So then in another text box, I would write 16 yards. Not years, yards. Okay? So again, we're not measuring anything today. This is really just practicing addition and subtraction, but I think it's good practice. And it's applying real world skills, okay? And learning those story problems, because sometimes we struggle with the story problems. So I'm going to check that off. Oh, and I'm accidentally uploading it, but that's okay. You guys would upload it like that. Okay? Now, what you're doing for your grade this week is a Kahoot. Okay? This slide is not finished. That's why it looks like this. You're going to go to this link. So I'm going to open the link, and it's going to take you to a Kahoot challenge. It's 10 questions. There is no game pen for you to enter. You have to type your name. So I would type Mrs. C. And then I would hit okay, go. No nicknames, nothing. Your name, because then I'm going to see, I have to know who turns it in to give you guys credit. So if you put a nickname, I'm not going to know who it is. And then I say, okay, go. And then you're going to join. You're not going to be playing against anybody else. It's all by yourself. Okay? So hopefully that makes sense. Your question will come up. What is the length of this object? Then you're going to have to measure. I don't want to tell you guys, but make sure you pay attention to whether it's inches or centimeters, okay? All right. Okay. That is the last lesson for this week. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you are working hard. And I will talk to you guys again soon, okay? Thank you, guys. Bye.